Would you like to add a touch of class to your living space? Or illuminate those dark cabinets in your kitchen, where you can never find what you're looking for? The Handy10 LED profile makes it easy. It simply slots onto any side of a shelf, and provides up and down ambience. Watch the rest of the video to find out how to transform your bookcase and shelves into breathtaking features in your home. The Handy10 is designed to fit a standard 18mm thick shelf. Ours is slightly thicker, so we'll need to alter it. You may want to trim your shelf to compensate for the extra width of the profile. The profile will add exactly 33mm, or 1.3 inches to the shelf. Because our shelf is too thick, we'll sand it down quickly. It's likely that you'll need to cut your LED profile as well. That's why we made a short video showing you just how to do this. Now let's add LEDs. Your first step is to cut them to the length of your profile. If you're unsure of how to go about this, we have a short video outlining the process. To neaten the wiring, we've drilled a hole in the profile. Another feature of the Handy10 is the hollow channel running through its center. It can be used to run wires discreetly. Remove the sticker paper off the back of your strips to attach them. Note that you can add solder joints to your order on our website, saving you the trouble. When it comes to diffusers, there are several variations compatible with the Handy10. In this project we'll be using the B-slide variant. Now we can quickly reinstall the shelf, and run our wiring out the back of the cabinet. Note that the Handy10 is sold with a tiny rubber hose, to give the profile a soft edge. All the products in this video are available on our site. Check us out to browse a huge range of everything LEDs. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.